Have you ever wanted to know how to make a vegan prosciutto? Well, I'm going to show you how to make one today. I'm Heaven and welcome back to Conscious Cooking. Now, we actually have a version of this at the Bodhi, which is a little bit more complicated and has a few more steps. So today I'm going to show you a quick and easy at-home version that anybody can do. Place all of your ingredients into a mixing bowl and stir it until your beetroot powder dissolves. Once your beetroot powder has dissolved, you're going to take your marinade and transfer it over to a baking tray. Now you're going to take your first piece of rice paper and place it into the marinade. Let it sit for a second and then turn it over. Then you'll take your second sheet and you'll place it over the top. And then turn it over again. Let it soak for about 10 minutes. The rice paper sheets should stick together. Once your rice paper sheets have softened, you're going to transfer them over to a wire rack and allow it to drain for a couple of minutes, just to get the excess off. We're going to take our sheets and transfer them over to a chopping board and start slicing them into strips. You're going to take some olive oil and generously rub your prosciutto all over. Then we're going to gently turn the prosciutto over and place some more olive oil and rub it again. Take your lemon juice and olive oil, and in a small mixing bowl, you're going to whisk this together. Now let's take our salad leaves and place it on the plate. You can tear up some mint, sprinkle that on top, and we're going to take our prosciutto and wrap it around the rockmelon. Once you've placed a couple on the plate, you can take the last few pieces and just drape it over the top. Make sure you drizzle the dressing all over. This vegan prosciutto has got to be hands down one of my favourite dishes. It evokes summer in the Italian countryside. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do.